Did you know the incredible power of almonds on your health? These tiny, crunchy seeds of the Prunus dulcis tree, or as we commonly know it, the almond tree, hold an impressive nutritional profile that can significantly boost your well-being. Originating from the Middle East, these edible seeds have been an integral part of human diet for thousands of years. Today, almonds are grown worldwide, with Mediterranean climates being especially conducive to their growth. They come in two main varieties, sweet and bitter. The sweet almonds are what we often snack on or use in our cooking. Bitter almonds, on the other hand, are primarily used to produce almond oil and flavorings. So, what makes almonds such a superfood? Well, their rich nutritional profile is certainly a key factor. Almonds are packed with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. To give you an idea, a 1-ounce serving of almonds contains around 160 calories, 6 grams of protein, 14 grams of fat, with 9 of these being monounsaturated, 6 grams of carbohydrates, and 3.5 grams of fiber. In terms of vitamins and minerals, the same serving also provides 37% of the recommended daily allowance of vitamin E, 20% of magnesium, and 32% of manganese. With such a nutritional composition, it's no surprise that almonds are a popular ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes. Be it a crunchy topping for your salad, a key ingredient in your favorite dessert, or a simple snack on the go, almonds are as versatile as they are delicious. And the benefits go beyond the palate. Whether you're looking to boost your heart health, improve your skin, or simply snack smarter, almonds are an excellent choice. As we delve deeper into the topic, you'll discover the wide-ranging health benefits of this small but mighty seed. So if you're looking to elevate your health, it's time to embrace the incredible power of almonds. After all, good things often come in small packages. Whether you're looking to boost your heart health, improve your skin, or simply snack smarter, almonds are a versatile and delicious addition to your diet. Have you ever wondered what makes almonds so beneficial for our health? Let's delve into their nutritional profile. Almonds are bursting with nutrients in a compact, tasty package. A mere 1-ounce serving, roughly a handful, delivers 160 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 14 grams of fat, 9 of which are heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. They also contain 6 grams of carbohydrates, 3.5 grams of fiber, and a host of essential vitamins and minerals. For instance, the same serving provides 37% of the recommended daily allowance of vitamin E and 20% of your daily magnesium needs. Not to mention, it's packed with 32% of the daily requirement of manganese. These nutrients play a crucial role in various bodily functions, from maintaining healthy skin and hair to supporting immune function and red blood cell production. Clearly, almonds are a nutrient-dense food that can significantly contribute to a balanced diet. Almonds are renowned for their heart-healthy properties, but did you know they can also aid in weight management? Let's dive right in and talk about the heart first. Almonds are, in fact, quite the little heart heroes. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, the kind of fats that help to reduce levels of low-density lipoprotein, or what we commonly know as bad cholesterol. By lowering bad cholesterol, almonds help to decrease the risk of heart disease, but that's not all. Almonds are also a great source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Add to that, regular munching on almonds has been linked to reduced inflammation and improved artery health. So if you're looking to keep your heart in tip-top shape, almonds are your go-to snack. Now let's shift gears and talk about weight management. It might seem counterintuitive at first. After all, almonds are calorie-dense. But here's the thing. Almonds are packed with protein, fiber, and yes, those heart-healthy fats we just talked about. This powerful trio works together to promote a feeling of fullness, so you're less likely to reach for that bag of chips or that chocolate bar. And when you're eating less of those high-calorie, low-nutrient foods, you're more likely to maintain a healthy weight. In fact, studies have shown that incorporating almonds into your diet can lead to better weight control and even weight loss. So there you have it. Almonds, these tiny, crunchy powerhouses, are not just a treat to your taste buds, but also a boon to your heart and waistline. And the best part? You can enjoy them in so many ways. Whether you prefer them raw, roasted, as almond butter, or even in your morning smoothie, the options are endless. So incorporating almonds into your diet can lead to improved heart health and better weight control. Have you ever considered almonds as a natural aid for skin health and blood sugar control? Let's delve into the fantastic benefits of almonds for your skin first. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that is essential for maintaining healthy skin. This potent antioxidant fights off harmful free radicals in your body which are known to cause oxidative damage to cells. This damage can lead to premature aging and other skin-related issues. By neutralizing these harmful free radicals, vitamin E helps to protect your skin, promoting a youthful, healthy glow. But the goodness of almonds for your skin doesn't stop at vitamin E. The seeds are also rich in fatty acids. These nourishing fats play a crucial role in hydrating your skin from within. They help to maintain the skin's lipid barrier, which is vital in preventing dryness and locking in moisture. This means that regularly snacking on almonds can help you achieve soft, supple, and hydrated skin. Now let's shift gears and discuss how almonds can help control blood sugar levels. Almonds have a low glycemic index, which means they don't cause significant spikes in blood sugar levels when consumed. This is particularly important for individuals with diabetes or anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. The reason behind this is the unique combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats in almonds. These nutrients slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those unwanted blood sugar spikes. Moreover, the high fiber content in almonds contributes to a feeling of fullness, which can prevent overeating and help with weight management, a crucial aspect of controlling diabetes. So, whether you're looking to enhance your skin's health or manage your blood sugar levels, almonds could be the perfect addition to your diet. Just a handful a day can provide these incredible benefits. Evidently, almonds are your go-to snack for a healthy skin glow and balanced blood sugar levels. Can a handful of almonds a day keep the doctor away? Sounds like a stretch, but when we delve into the benefits of almonds for bone health and cognitive function, this question doesn't seem so far-fetched. Let's start with bone health. Almonds are a rich source of essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals play a crucial role in the formation and maintenance of strong, healthy bones and teeth. Calcium, most of us know, is the building block of our skeletal system. But did you know that magnesium and phosphorus are just as important? Magnesium contributes to the structure of our bones, while phosphorus works hand in hand with calcium to maximize its bone-strengthening benefits. By incorporating almonds into your diet, you're not only giving your bones a nutrient boost, but also helping to ward off conditions like osteoporosis. This is especially important as we age and our bones naturally start to lose their density. Now, let's shift gears and talk about cognitive function. Our brains are constantly working, even when we're at rest. To support this relentless activity, our brains need a steady supply of nutrients. Enter almonds. Packed with riboflavin and L-carnitine, almonds are little powerhouses that support brain health. Riboflavin, also known as vitamin B2, plays a key role in energy production and cellular function, repair, and growth. It's been linked to improved cognitive function, especially in the areas of memory and concentration. On the other hand, L-carnitine, an amino acid derivative, aids in energy production and is believed to enhance brain function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. So the next time you're reaching for a snack, remember that a handful of almonds offers more than just a satisfying crunch. It's a simple step towards healthier bones and a sharper mind. With regular consumption of almonds, you can boost your memory, reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, and maintain strong bones. Who knew that such a small nut could pack such a powerful punch? Incorporating almonds into your diet is easier than you might think. These nutrient-dense powerhouses can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. If you're fond of simple pleasures, consider raw or roasted almonds as a snack. They're delicious, convenient, and perfect for those on-the-go moments. Maybe you're a smoothie enthusiast? Blend almonds into your favorite mix for a protein-packed start to your day. If you're a fan of dairy alternatives, almond milk is a delicious and nutritious choice. For those with a sweet tooth, almonds can be ground into flour for gluten-free baking, or used in a myriad of dessert recipes. Think almond butter cookies or almond-topped brownies. And let's not forget savory dishes. Crushed almonds make a delightful crust for fish or chicken, or toss slivered almonds into your salad for an added crunch. With these simple tips, you can easily reap the incredible health benefits of almonds every day.